How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 65 Impala SS done in SunFire Yellow. Gorgeous car. Super nice paint on the car. Nice straight car down the sides. Car originated out of California. See the grille. Original grille, excellent condition. Front bumper's been re-chromed. Very, very nice car. Nice straight down the sides. Got a lot of nice little upgrades done. It's got the vintage gray center torque thrust type wheels on it. Nice big tire tucked up in the back. Very, very, very nice car, guys. Tail lights all look real good in it. They did remove the black out of the center of the SS tail panel trim. Looks nice. It's all in good shape. Rear bumper's been redone. Car's nice, straight down the sides. It's got your 4-piston disc brakes up front. Now the original 327 has been replaced with a mild-built 400 small block, aluminum intake and Holley, Mallory ignition. It's got your power disc brakes, got your power steering, got a serpentine pulley setup on it. Got a nice buckskin interior in the car. It's all been redone. Real solid, nice, clean car. Nice odometer tack and stuff added. Headliner's nice and tight. Looks really, really good. All the seat covers have been replaced. It's got your front and rear seat belts. They reworked the factory shifter to work with the 700 R4 trans that they got in it. It's got a 12-bolt posi rear. I believe it was a 410 gear in it. With the overdrive, you can run the thing right down the freeway real nice. Cruises right along. Real clean, all original floors and everything in the car. Very, very solid car. Tell you, I like the yellow with the buckskin interior. Looks real nice. The nice thing about it is it won't be hot when you're cruising in the summer. They did a radio Kenwood stereo there under the dash instead of cutting the dash up. Nice job done. See, all the jams are nice. We'll fire this thing up. Good sounding car, got nice duals all the way out the back. Nice little cam to it. Porch lights all work in it. Tell you, it's just a real nice car. Thing ready to cruise, show, enjoy it, have a good time. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com or visit us at 8180 South State Road. Have a great day, folks.